The Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife is a popular choice for those seeking a reliable and versatile everyday carry EDC tool. Available on Amazon, this knife offers a blend of durability and functionality. This folding knife is suitable for a range of activities, including camping, hiking, and everyday tasks. Its robust construction and practical features make it a dependable tool for both outdoor enthusiasts and those in need of a reliable EDC knife. Link is available on the description.